Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and this is
Chris.
And welcome back to Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith, we're going to try and make some Damascus steel properly. So today we've got some, I've gone and bought all the things that we should have in the workshop to make real Damascus steel, if that's a thing. We've got 15N20 and EN42J. I bought some sheets from a very nice chap. I'll give some more details about him at the end of the video, and there'll be a link to his website in the description. Really good deal. I think it was a good deal anyway. I'm sure he must be getting it cheaper the way he's selling it, but we'll talk about that later. So we've got this. I've got some borax, some ferric chloride, which was gifted to me by Luke. Thank you very much, Luke. And we've been making some tongs and stuff today, haven't we? And just messing around. Not really a course, more of a sort of a...
It's been a course, I've learned some things.
Yeah, good,
definitely,
good.
Definitely.
Okay, well, that was the point, I guess. So we're going to do a tester today, and we're going to try and weld this together now. And then tomorrow, we're going to try and make you some billets to take home. So you're going to try and make some knives at home, or whatever you're going to try and make. Really long pieces of nothings.
Big squares of Damascus.
Other way up. Sorry, it's just there's a top and bottom to that. Yeah? Yeah? Well, basically, get that mark there, the one on the bottom there, knock him in a bit so he's that one. Like I showed you earlier, take that down, put it down, just down again, and one more, lovely. Put that back in the fire, and then we'll do it on the power. Put that back. Yeah, try to get out right out, yeah? So what you do is bring that side, yeah, bring it down. That's it. It's uncomfortable, but oh, careful. So what we've done is I had the sheets delivered and I've cut these into, well, sort of cut them into 30 mil by 100 mil. This is just a test, not really accurate. All we're trying to do is work out whether or not Dan can do. And I think I can, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm sure you guys will let me know what I do wrong in the comments. I'm going to weld these together, but before I weld them together, we're going to just give them another quick clean with some acetone, and then I'm going to stick them together. We'll get them in the fire, join them up, so that there's no air gaps or anything in between, and then get them hot enough to squish them together so that they weld. Fingers crossed. Could I have borax? I just want to grab that. Turn that over. Go on. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the pattern in there. I can't see it very well now, actually. If you can see that in there. Where's the good bit? There he is there. So it's only been in the etch for about 15 minutes, but we've managed to weld a bar together. This is 16 mil square. It's 4 pieces of 100 mil by 30 mil of the EN42J and the excuse me, sorry, the EN42J and the 15N20. And this is the side that was flat. I was rushing a little bit because we've used quite a bit of the day up doing other stuff, and this was the side that was all flat. It's come out lovely, and I think it's all welded together. It sounds good, and it cooled down at the same rate. But this piece here folded over a little bit. So tomorrow we're going to have another go, and we're going to cut this in half and weld this together again. Draw that out a bit more and have a bit of a play around with that, and then we're also going to do. Here you are, nice pattern. We're also going to do a couple of billets and have a go at that as well. So that should be fairly exciting. So a little bit of a win. That went very well. I was petrified.
Went good.
It went all right, didn't it?
Yeah, solid bar.
I don't think it's as hard as they make it out. But I'm saying it now, it's going to go completely wrong.
Tomorrow.
It's going to go wrong tomorrow.
Jinxed it.
Hopefully not. Where's some wood? Touch some wood. Hopefully. Anyway, have you enjoyed today?
Yeah, great time.
Good. I've got you all day tomorrow as well.
Yep. More of the same.
So, hopefully you enjoyed this video as well. I've had a really good day. It's been great meeting Chris and stuff, and we've got another day tomorrow. We're going to make some more Damascus for sure.
Yep.
We're going to try and do 3 billets, and whether or not we weld them or twist them or do whatever dry combination stuff, I think that's kind of mosaic Damascus then, isn't it? So, but anyway, we're going to give it a go and see what happens, and you've got a pair of tongs to finish.
Yeah. So
we're going to do that all tomorrow.
busy day.
Busy day, so early start again. Cool, so we're going to quickly have a beer. And yeah, so thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe, unless you're already a subscriber, and if you are, remember to ring that bell for notification. You would have thought I'd learned this by now. There's 100 known videos. Let us know what you thought in the comments. Tell me if you think I did anything wrong. Tell me if you think I could do anything better. Tell me if I just did a good job, I guess. And Chris, obviously, my glamorous assistant, Debbie.
First time every day on a weekend.
Yeah, that's everything. So thank you for joining me. On Chris's face will appear a video, and on Chris's belly will appear another video. This is my Patreon, and subscribe down there. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye.